so hard. Bipolar, still manic. Spin a handful of hundreds, don't even panic. Back to Atlantic, the bandwidth bandit. In your face, killing your dudes, copying them nudes. Lil Mac on the contract. I ball, no bull, boy, that is a fact. Got a knack for saying more with less. In between rounds, I can press select for a little bit of health boost, Jamba Juice. So I get punched to the throat in my Echo coat. On that note, go to sleep, I can knock you out. Since I got a star, press start, no doubt. Wind it on my arm, let the damage fly. Like when I chase a black man on his bike, running like Farside.
Who is the champion? 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 Who is the champion?
Sometimes I rhyme slow, sometimes I rhyme quick, but none of that bullshit matters, cause I'm always in the booth just rhyming sick. Pissed on Hondas, pissed on whips, pissed on kids and pistol whipped. Any face in the book inquire. Zuckerberg sees, he calls me sire. Glass Jaw's rap game through the wire, and Glass Joe's rap 10 counts for higher. Dive on a Kaiser, a great tiger. Mr. Fantastic, arms on elastic. Your ass kicked by this whitey crack bitch. That's a fact, bitch. I will smack, bitch. Tactics. My wireframe green, my wireframe mean. Feds try to frame me, so does Jolene. My wireless card is 802G. All the titles in the belts I hold. Math field day, bronze, silver, and gold. High school dropout, look at my role. Boxing gloves, got my hands on swole. Get my hands on mo, paper, got this dough. I got this though, soda pop and scope. Now pop this go, can't top this flow. I'm a boxer with locks of hair and lots of punchy punchables. My lunchables have YT crackers. Yeah, gotta train in the gym, gotta hope I can jump rope fast as him. I'm a nasty bastard, Jim, the master of middleweight rapping slim. Rapping again on this Nintendo